Hello friends, welcome back. Hearty welcome to you. In this session, let's look at some more examples related to locus. As part of that, we will try to solve this problem. Find the equation of locus of point P if A 2, 3, B 2, -3 and given PA plus PB equal to 8. We have to find the equation of locus of P. Given to us coordinates of A, coordinates of B, and we were told that the point for which we have to find out the locus, its distance from A and its distance from B sums up to 8. By this definition itself, we understand that it's an ellipse. We'll try to find out how the equation of locus will be. It will be an ellipse. We'll try to find out what it is. So first, what we will do, we'll find out what is PA, PB, then we will sum it up and add up to 8. What is the distance formula which we will be using? x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square under root square root will give us the distance between 2 points. So let's write down first what is PA. PA equal to, let us say first the point is, let P be a point on the locus with the coordinates x1, y1. So PA will be square root of x1 minus 2 whole square plus y1 minus 3 whole square. Similarly, PB will be square root of x1 minus 2 whole square plus y1 minus of minus 3, so y1 plus 3 whole square. So that is P and PB. Now we have been given PA plus PB equal to 8. Now when you try to add PA and PB, if you keep both of them on the left hand side, it becomes complicated because you have to square it up. It will be PA square plus PB square plus 2PA PB equal to 8. So what we will do, we will try to take out PB to the other side and we'll write down PA equal to 8 minus PB. We'll square on both sides. SOPs, I'll have PA square equal to 64. We are doing A minus B whole square formula plus PB square minus 16 into PB. Now we can substitute the values whatever we have. PA square, that means square root will go away. Can I write down x1 minus 2 whole square plus y1 minus 3 whole square equal to 64 plus PB square, that is again x1 minus 2 whole square plus y1 plus 3 whole square minus 16 into PB. PB is square root of x1 minus 1 to x1 minus 2 whole square plus y1 plus 3 whole square. Now let's try to simplify this. When we go to the next step, we have x1 minus 2 whole square, x1 minus 2 whole square cancel, and we can see that this is of the form of a minus b whole square here and a plus b whole square here. So I'll write down one step where we will say, so that's nothing but y1 minus 3 whole square minus of y1 plus 3 whole square minus 64 equal to minus 16 into, so the point is very simple. We just want to keep only the root here, remaining whatever is left out we want to move to the left hand side. So 16 into x1 minus 2 whole square plus y1 plus 3 whole square. Let's go to the next step. The next step will be, we have a minus b whole square minus of a plus b whole square. So can I write it as minus 4ab minus 4 into a is 3 into b equal to y1 minus 4ab. After that we have minus 64 is equal to minus of 16 into square root of x1 minus 2 whole square plus y1 plus 3 whole square. Now let's square it on both sides. Before that we can cancel. Let us see what I can cancel. I can cancel minus minus. I can cancel 4 times 4 will go 4 times. Now let's square it on both sides. We'll have, so I have to cancel 4 there. I should also cancel 4 from this one also. Or shall we take common and do it in the next step without confusing? Okay, fine. Let's do that. So the next step, what I will write down, I will take minus 4 common. I will have 3y1 plus 16 equal to minus 4 into 4 into square root of x1 minus 2 whole square plus y1 plus 3 whole square. Now I can cancel negative 4 on both sides and we will square it up now. So we'll have next step 3y1 plus 16 whole square is equal to 16 into the square root will go away now. So we'll have square root 16 into x1 minus t whole square plus y1 plus 3 whole square. Let's go to the next step. Next step will be a plus b whole square. This is in the form of a plus b whole square on left hand side. We will square it up. A plus b whole square formula we will apply, not squaring. We will have 9y1 square plus b square is 256 plus 2ab, that is 16 into 348 into 2, 96y1 is equal to, let's open this up. We will have 16 into x1 square plus y1 square minus 4x1 plus 6y1 plus 4 plus 9, 13. So we'll open the brackets here. We'll have 16x1 square plus 16y1 square minus 64x1 plus 96y1 plus 208. That is what we have on that side, and in this side we have 9y1 square plus 256 plus 96y1. Let us see, can we cancel anything here? We can cancel 96y1 and 96y1. We can cancel 96y1 on both sides. So let's go to the next step. Taking everything to right hand side, we'll have 16x1 square plus 16y square minus 9y1 square, that is 16x square plus 7y1 square minus 64x1 plus 208 minus 256 is minus 48 equal to 0. So this is the equation of the locus, but if you want we can also write it so that we know that it's an ellipse. For that what we will do, we'll use completing the squares method. 16x1 square minus 64x1 plus 7y1 square minus 48 equal to 0. Now can I write it as 16 into x1 square minus 4x1 plus 7y1 square equal to 48. So completing the squares method, if I do, I'll write down 16 into x1 square minus 4x plus 4, so that I can make it as x1 minus 2 whole square. So now what I have to add on the other side, 16 into 4, 64. So that will become 112. Now I can divide this by 112 so that I can get the answer. So I'll write it as 16 into x1 minus 2 whole square plus 7y1 square equal to 112, or can I write down x1 minus 2 whole square by 7 plus y1 square by 16 equal to 1. So now if we remove x1 y1 and make it as generic, we'll have x minus 2 whole square by 7 plus y square by 16 equal to 1. That is the equation of the locus of point P.